Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. My name is Prajakta and I make travel, food and book related videos on my channel. बहुत सुना था यार ये bullet chicken and even I am confused as you guys are. So today I am here in Kolhapur to see what actually this bullet chicken is. So here I am at Chhatrapati Shivaji University Road to try out the famous smoky bullet chicken. ये एक स्मॉल लेकिन बहुत फेमस जॉइंट है और नाम है बारबेक्यू राइड कोल्हापुर। जब मैं यहाँ पे पहुँची तो ये अपना पूरा सेटअप लगा रहे थे। ये जॉइंट शाम में खुला होता है, सो यू गाइज कैन विजिट दिस प्लेस आफ्टर 5 in the evening. These guys use the heat coming out from the hot, smoky and fiery coal, and hence they are setting up the coal right now in the barbecue stand. यहाँ पे हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि इसे बुलेट चिकन क्यों कहा जाता है, बिकॉज दे हैव वेल्डेड देयर बारबेक्यू स्टैंड विद द बुलेट जस्ट लाइक अ साइड कार। और ये जो पीछे बैटरी है, इसके चार्ज से उन्होंने अपना पूरा सेटअप का इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन किया है। Now let's go through their menu. These guys offer juicy chicken wings, slow cooked drumsticks, smoky chicken strips, haryali chicken strips, leg pieces and also combo pack of all of the above. और इनकी पार्सल और डिलीवरी सर्विसेज भी अवेलेबल है। I have ordered a plate of slow cooked drumsticks. And now starts the actual part of cooking. The coal is properly heated and ready to go into the barbecue stand. And these are the containers जिसमें उन्होंने चिकन के अपने पीसेस अच्छे से अपने सीक्रेट मसाले में कोट करके लाए हैं। And now they are putting up the chicken leg pieces on the barbecue grill. And after keeping these pieces on the grill, they shut down their barbecue stand cover and give a time for the chicken pieces to cook properly and get smoky with the coal. These guys make it sure that every piece of chicken gets properly grilled from all the sides. And here is my dish of chicken drumsticks. It really looks properly grilled and with a lot of coating of masalas. और अब मैं एक चिकन का पीस उठा रही हूँ। Look at this guys, it is properly grilled from every side and looks juicy at the same time. And now I'll dip it into some mayonnaise and some tomato sauce and have a bite of it. The chicken was really tender and very juicy. The masalas, the coating of the masalas done on the chicken piece was really flavorsome. A bit of spicy but not more spicy. It was a perfect mix of masalas and the smoky flavor of the chicken made it all worth. I would definitely rate this place a big 10 on 10 for all the delicious variety of chicken that these guys are serving and also for the beautiful setup that they have done. Thanks for watching guys. See you in the next and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.